Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website like you see with me here is called Money Saving Experts, and it's a popular personal finance website and platform in the United Kingdom. So to get started with the website, simply head on over to Money Saving Experts or moneysavingexpert.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer. And here are some results that I got after my search. I have some sponsored websites and the official sites for the money saving experts, and some or their page on Twitter, and some images for the MSE, that means the money saving experts. We need the official site, that means this one here, this one, money saving experts, energy help, credit card, and etc. Okay, let's click on it. So once you click to the link, you get directly to the home page or the interface of the website. Okay, let's just accept all here. And this is the home page where you can find all the home or the key features and all the information that you need to know for or about the website to start using it. And forget all the money saving types and deals, you need just to enter your email address here and click on sign up. And the MSA, that means the money saving experts, provides a wide range of articles, guides, and tools to help individuals save money on everyday expenses. It covers topics such as shopping, utilities, banking, insurance, and travel. The website also shared the latest deals, discounts, and voucher codes to help readers find the best bargains. So let's try to enter our email and sign up. So after the signing up, this should be send a message on my email now, this one here. They thank us for the signing up, and they making us know that we can unsubscribe anytime from the MSA's money types by following this link. Okay, so they will send to us anything new in the website, and they can contact us on it and send to us all deals and the advices. So now let's come back to the homepage to talk a little about the different key features that the money saving experts provide to us. First thing, this website is mixed for provides us the money saving types and the deals. The MSA provides a wide range of articles, grids, and tools to help individuals save money on everyday expenses. It covers topics such as shopping, utilities, banking, insurance, and travel. The website also shares the latest deals, discounts, and voucher codes to help readers find the best bargains, or the bargains, excuse me. So if you have any other question, you need just to click on this one, energy help, because the MSA offers guidance and information on consumers' rights, helping readers understand their rights and how to resolve issue with products or services. It provides resources to topics such as consumer rights when shopping, dealing with despots, and claiming compensation. So we are in the crisis help for the energy crisis help. Here you'll find all the information that you may need to know, or questions that you may have in your head. And also the websites present to us. Okay, let's just choose like example and some one of that for seeing the financial products comparison that the MSA provides to us. The website offers tools and calculators to compare various financial products and services, such as credit cards, mortgage, saving accounts, loans, and insurance. Polishise it aims to help readers find the most suitable and cost-effective option for their needs, just like that. See the comparison and or the finance products comparison. And also you can realize the budgeting and the money management. The MSA provides practical advice and tools for budgeting, managing personal finance, and reducing debts. It offers budget planners, debt payment calculators, and types for improving financial well-being. And also in this same key features on the money saving experts, it provides to us the energy and utilize. Here we'll come back to it now. The MSA provides guidance on saving money on energy bills and reducing energy consumptions. It offers types for switching providers, understanding energy tariffs, and improving energy efficiency in homes. And also it provides to us the forum and the community. The MSA has a vibrant community of members who share money saving types, experiences, and advice on the platform or on the forums. It provides a platform for readers to connect, seek help, and share their financial knowledge. And if we look for the updates or the news, you will find them just right here, because the MSA keeps readers informed about the latest news and updates related to personal finance, consumer issue, and money saving opportunities. It publishes articles and newsletters to provide insights and updates on relevant topics. You will find all the news and updates on these key features here on the money saving experts. For each one, like example, the updates on card and loans will be just over here. You need just to click on view related grids to read all the information and the updates in the news for the credit cards loans. And also we give them already our email, so if there is any new, they will just send us to our email. So that's our video today, and let me tell you that for the overall, money saving experts is a trusted and valuable resource for individuals in the UK seeking to save money, manage their finance, and make informed financial decisions. The website's comprehensive content, community engagement, and focus on consumer advocacy have made it a popular platform in the personal finance space. So if you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next website. I hope you're still in good health until that time.